In this video, you will learn how to manually enter data in EViews 13 and how to import Excel and CSV file into EViews. Step 1. Create a work file. First, open EViews 13. You can create a new work file here, or you can skip and go to File, New, Work File. Or simply press Ctrl N to open the work file. Choose the work file structure. For cross-section data, select unstructured or undated. For panel data, select balanced panel. For time series data, select dated regular frequency. Let's assume we have quarterly time series data. Select dated regular frequency. Choose the frequency, annual, semi-annual, quarterly, monthly, etc. Let's choose quarterly. Set the start date 2000 Q1, which means the first quarter of 2000. Set the end date 2025 Q3, which means the third quarter of 2025. Give our work file a name, for example, project 1. Enter. To save work file, click File, Save As. Choose a desired location in a desktop. Save. Yes. Okay. Now let's create a panel data work file. Ctrl N. Select the balanced panel. Choose the data frequency, annual, quarterly, etc. Let's choose annual. Enter the start and end date, for example, 2015 to 2025. In the number of cross-section box, enter the number of units. Suppose we have 5 countries. You can name the work file now or save it later. Okay. Now let's return to our time series work file. There are 3 ways to input data in EViews: manual entry, copy and paste, import using menu option. Method 1. Manual data entry. Suppose we have 3 variables: GDP, capital, labor. To create them at once, type the following command: data space GDP space capital space labor. Enter. 3 variables are displayed here. To add another variable, for example, inflation, in the command, type series space INF, which stands for inflation. Enter. Now the inflation variable is added. Select all variables to be displayed. Shift, press, right click, open as a group. Now the inflation variable is added in the displayed group. Click the edit button and manually enter your data. Edit. You can add your data as you want. You can change all the cells and enter your data. Method 2. Copy and paste from Excel. You can also import data by copying and pasting. Open your Excel file. Select the first data cell. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow and right arrow to select all the data. Copy the selected data. Go back to EViews. Click Edit and paste the data. Yes. Method 3. Import using menu option. This is the most professional way to import data. Close the windows. Close. Click File. Open. Open data as work file. Select your Excel or CSV file. Open. Next. Make sure the header line is set to 1. Next. Next. Choose the correct structure for your data. For time series data, select dated specified by date series. Finish. No. To open variables together, select the GDP, hold Ctrl and select labor and capital. Right click, open as a group. Now you can see the time series data, for example, from 1980 to 2023. If you like this type of contents, subscribe to the channel to learn more about EViews, data analysis, time series, econometrics. See you in the next video.